We don't have the ternary operator in Lua, but we can construct a similar expression with and operator. So this is in C, and this translates to this in Lua. So how does it work? Here we're just comparing number to either positive or negative. And x is positive and y is negative. And let's take the AND part of the expression first. AND operator returns the last true operand until there is false. So if this condition is true, then it returns the second operand, which is x. Since 5 is bigger than 0, so this condition is true and it should print positive. If we change the number to negative, then the whole expression should return false. So this AND expression returns only either x, which has the string positive, or false. Now, the OR part. If the AND expression returns x, then x or y would return x, because the operator returns the first true value it finds. If the AND expression returns false, then it will fall through to the next true operand, which is y, and should print negative. So with both expressions combined would result in, if the condition is true, then it will return x. If the condition is false, it will return y, which is what the ternary operator does in any language. You can also drop the parenthesis for the AND expression because the AND operator has the higher precedence compared to operator. One last thing is that this cannot be used like an if statement. It can only return a value. So you cannot use it like this to print x and y.